Oh, this fish is huge.
I mean, it's moving around a lot.
Where's your line?
Just follow into my rod tip.
Oh, I see it. Jeez, when will you get it?
I'm trying to tire it out so I can bring it up. Because whatever is, if it's as big as I think it is, it's going to splash all over.
Can't see it. Oh.
Jeez, this thing's like 5-6 pounds at least.
I bet it's catfish. Here you
Oh,
go.
it's a giant freaking bass, Sam. That's a huge bass. It's like probably a 7 or 8 pound bass on there.
How long did, yeah. I got it.
Look at where the bobber is and take a video of him. He's going to jump, I almost guarantee it.
The video's already running.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, this thing is huge.
This is huge. This is why we have the scale. He's going to take another run here, I almost guarantee it.
Ooh, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, ooh, that's
No,
big.
that's either a carp or a catfish.
That's
a big catfish.
It's huge! Yes, that's huge.
Yeah, I was hoping that was a Larry.
What's
He
a
didn't
Larry?
jump, though.
Fun. It's been like 2-3 minutes. Yeah, that's definitely a catfish.
Yeah, he's pretty well hooked too. He's gonna have to snap the line to get off.
Oh, I don't want him to do that.
I don't either. I think he's pretty well tired here. All right.
He's been running around the lake. Okay, I'll hold.
No, it's okay. I got him.
Look at him.
I landed a catfish in a long time, so smile.
There, finally. Jeez.
I don't want to get smacked on the tail fin.
Don't let him go. You pull him up to land.
Actually, grab me the pliers.
Dad, pull him up to land.
I can't. If I hoist him, I'm probably going to snap my line.
Dad, it's a catfish. I want to take a picture of him.
Yeah, you keep the camera on him.
No, this video's been running for like 2 minutes. Can't even see it now.
See if I can't do it this way. You just don't want anything in your mouth, do you? I can't really blame you for that. Alright.
Thing is big.
I'm gonna noodle you. Open up. There we got him. Oh man, that's a solid cat.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, we're gonna weigh him.
Okay, Dad, ready for your picture?
Yep. Here, take a
Okay.
picture.